we're gonna make a Play-Doh. It's not toxic, and these are the ingredients we need: the hot water, the oil, the all-purpose flour, and the salt, and the food coloring. Now we need this bowl for mixing. Now let's put all of the ingredients first. Now let's put it. That's all. Now we need to put this like full of them and mix it until it dissolves. It has been dissolved already. Now let's put the flour. Get that? Okay, some salt here. Okay, that's okay. Now let's mix that. Now we should put the food coloring. Okay. Mix it. And then next we should put oil. That. Next we need more oil. It's so sticky. Let's mix it for like from 10 minutes. Okay. Now let's put some of them because there's only little of the flour. Put it in your hand. Yeah, let's mix it. Mix it, mix it. We mix it. I put some more flour because it's a little sticky. Now let's put that full of them. Okay. I need to hold this. I need to use my hand when the oil's already gone and a little sticky. Okay. Let's get my hand inside. Get that out of there. Yeah. Okay, put that there. Okay. I'm going to knead for 5 minutes because it should be like a little. And next, when the 5 minutes is over, we can just put like that. Like 2. I put some oil because we should be a little sticky because I have some of that. Okay, now do that. Okay, now mix now. Now if your hand is like a little bit dried, you can put some cream if you want because it will be like. If your hands, like these 2 hands, are dry, you can just put some cream in your hand. Okay. Now, let's test it. If it's sticky. Oh, it's a little sticky. My hand is like a little bit dry, so I'm going to put some of this. Need more, okay. That's okay for me. Put that there. Okay. That one is okay. Okay, let's do it more. Oh, sticky. I think it's going to be sticky only. There. Mix for 10 to 15 minutes. Flour because it's a little bit sticky. It's only a little bit of. Let's test it again. Now it's ready for play now. Now Thanks for watching and subscribe also.